High performance. CAT6 Ethernet cable. 100% copper for error-free multi-gigabit 1/2. 5/5 of a gigabit per second connections. 10 gigabits per second up to 160. Fluke patch cord tested to comply ANSI, TIA-568-2.D Category 6. ETL Verified. PoE support. 24 Aruban fluorines stranded copper conductors UL rated wiring. E13227-6A. Supports up to 100W for PoE devices like VOIP phone security systems. IEEE 802. 3 BTDTE power compliance reduces cable heating. Quality construction. ETL UL certified wire. 50-micron gold-plated connectors prevent rust, corrosion to avoid costly network downtime. High-quality PVC jacket resists bending or fraying damage. Easy installation. 8-foot molded patch cord is easy to connect into high-density panels with many cables. Compatible with Cat5e. Available with Snagless boots for easy wiring conduit installation. Error-free multi-gigabit support 1 gigabit per second, 2. 5 gigabits per second, 5 gigabits per second and 10 gigabits per second, up to 55 meters, 10 Gbps. 650 MHz support for increased bandwidth. Top reviews from the United States. Extra long Cat5 cable. I like the extra length of this Cat5 cable. I get top speed from my router. Feels sturdy and quality copper wiring inside.